Ukrainian drone army keeps showing incredible skills, but sometimes even with great skill the result isn't as wanted, as this Ukrainian drone operator managed to drop not one but two warheads down a T-72B tank's open hatch left from the operators, but neither of the warheads detonated, probably due to bouncing onto the side, resulting in no impact onto the triggering mechanism. But on the third try, using a hand grenade where the pin is pulled at the drop, managing a third time hitting the very small hatch. This time the grenade detonates and leaves an internal fire, destroying everything in the tank, rendering it useless, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.